Have you ever struggled with drawing graphs in Origin Pro? Does the idea of fitting linear and nonlinear adsorption, kinetic, and isotherm models seem daunting? Well, no need to worry, because today we're diving into the world of Origin Pro to demystify the process and ensure your graphs are of publication quality. First, start by opening Origin Pro on your device. Origin Pro is a leading software developed by Origin Lab that provides a data analysis and graphing workspace for scientists and engineers. To create a graph, the first step is to input your data. Origin Pro allows you to import data from various formats such as TXT, DAT, CSV, among others. Navigate to the File menu, select Import, then choose your desired format. After importing your data, you're ready to plot your graph. Click on the Plot menu and a drop-down list of graph types will appear. From line and symbol graphs to 3D surface plots, Origin Pro offers a wide variety of options. Choose the one that best represents your data. Now it's time to customize your graph. Origin Pro provides a plethora of customization options. You can adjust the color scheme, line style, axis labels, and much more. To do this, right-click on your graph and select Graph Properties. Here you can tweak your graph to your liking. But what if your data requires a more complex graph, like fitting linear and nonlinear adsorption, kinetic, and isotherm models? Origin Pro has got you covered. To fit a linear model, you need to use the Linear Fit tool. Navigate to the Analysis menu, select Fitting, then Linear Fit. Input your parameters and Origin Pro will draw the line of best fit for your data. Nonlinear models, on the other hand, require the Nonlinear Curve Fit tool. This tool is also found under the Analysis menu. After selecting Fitting, choose Nonlinear Curve Fit. Enter your parameters and Origin Pro will generate the curve that best fits your data. In conclusion, Origin Pro is a versatile tool that simplifies the process of graphing and fitting models. Input your data, select your graph type, customize your graph, and use the appropriate tool for linear or nonlinear fitting. With Origin Pro, creating publication-quality graphs is a breeze. For more information, visit the Aminulchem Innovation YouTube channel. Here you'll find detailed tutorials on a variety of topics, including how to draw different graphs in Origin Pro. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't be discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. Keep experimenting with different graph types and fitting models, and soon you'll be an Origin Pro expert. Until next time, happy graphing. Before we wrap up, we'd like to remind you to visit Aminulchem Innovation on YouTube. It's a treasure trove of information that can help you master Origin Pro and many other tools. While you're there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all the latest tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, colleagues, and anyone else who might find it useful. And if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you and help you on your journey to becoming an Origin Pro expert. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.